Hello all. Let us explore the fundamental semiconductor devices that power our digital world. Here we will talk about transistors, their construction, types, and applications in a detailed manner. Your smartphone, your laptop, even satellites in space, all of them run on a tiny hero called a transistor. But what exactly is a transistor? And how does something so small control the modern world? Transistors were invented in 1947 by John Bardeen, Walter Brattain, and William Shockley at Bell Laboratories. This revolutionary device earned them the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1956. A transistor is a three-terminal semiconductor device used to amplify or switch electrical signals and power. It is the fundamental building block of modern electronics, controlling large currents with small input signals. Transistors are classified based on their structure and method of operation. Broadly, they are divided into bipolar junction transistors, called BJTs, and field effect transistors, known as FETs. BJTs are current control devices and are of two types, NPN and PNP. FETs are voltage controlled devices. They include JFETs, which are of N-channel and P-channel types, and MOSFETs, which are classified as Enhancement type and Depletion type. MOSFETs are widely used in modern electronic and digital circuits. A transistor is formed by joining three semiconductor regions. Depending on the arrangement, we get NPN or PNP transistors. NPN transistor. It is most common type. Current flows from collector to emitter. Current flows when base voltage is positive relative to emitter. It is most commonly used in electronics due to higher electron mobility. PNP transistor. It is a complementary type. Current flows from emitter to collector. Current flows when base voltage is negative relative to emitter. It is used in complementary circuit designs. Now, let us see applications of transistors. BJTs amplify weak audio signals in stereo systems, hearing aids, and public address systems with excellent linearity and low distortion. It is used in logic gates, flip-flops, and digital circuits, where fast switching between on-off states is required for binary operations. Transistors generate periodic waveforms in radio transmitters, function generators, and timing circuits through positive feedback configurations. They also modulate carrier signals in radio frequency applications, enabling wireless communication in broadcasting and mobile networks. Modern mobile phones utilize BJTs in their RF front-end circuits for signal amplification and switching, enabling clear voice calls and data transmission across cellular networks. What do you think about why transistors matter in everyday life? Transistors are the fundamental building blocks of all modern electronic devices, from simple calculators to supercomputers, enabling the digital revolution that transformed society. Billions of transistors fit on a single microchip smaller than your fingernail, enabling powerful smartphones and wearable devices that would have been impossible just decades ago. Power-efficient transistor switching dramatically reduces energy consumption in electronics, contributing to longer battery life and lower environmental impact in our increasingly connected world. They are used in smartphones, tablets, smartwatches, and home appliances. Transistors are also part of automotive systems. Engine control, safety systems, and electric vehicle power management use a number of transistors. Transistors are used in medical devices such as diagnostic equipment, pacemakers, and monitoring systems. Applications of transistors are also seen in industrial automation, where robotics, process control, and manufacturing systems use so many transistors. The transistor was probably the most important invention of the 20th century, and the story of its impact has only just begun.